this is my engine swap golf cart, and so far we've put rally lights on this thing and stuck a 400cc Yamaha dirt bike engine in it. And in today's video, we're gonna be driving this thing. So let's get gripping and ripping.
I think it needs to be a little warmer. It is leaking a ton of oil right now, and let's just take a look. We struck oil. Oh, golly! I mean, damn! Genuinely saw my whole life flash before my eyes as I reached fourth for the first time, and I was pondering, and I was like, that's a steel fence right there, and I am not stronger than steel. I don't know how the dirt bike shut off, but it freaking, wow. I think that's all for today. I'm so hyped up on adrenaline right now, like, yeah! Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do.